Guys, so we need a race on people.
Splinters!
That's
You better go quickly. Don't crash the boat. Move away from the Katie, move away from the shore, and then Carson can hand it while y'all are away. Maybe.
He dipped it a lot. Evil dog!
So what is going to be the rule for the raft during birthday party times when there's 7 girls?
I'm kind of scared to get it out at my party.
Is the head count 7?
Yeah.
Do you want to get in the hot tub tomorrow night?
Possibly. Probably the normal way.
We should do that.
I want that oar. I don't think we have to worry about him chewing on the oil.
Let him bite it again, just for the movie. Pepper, look, see if he'll come get it. And then pull him in.
Go to the other end. So we can pull him in.
Pepper, come here. I think still out cold.
Try to get him on the boat. Try to get him on the boat.
I feel like I'm going to rip my hand off on the boat.
This is Katie's 16th birthday.
Pepper, come here, come here. Come on. Back off, back off. Come on, come on.
Bring him over here.
Wait, no, while he touches his rib, back in. Okay, okay. He's trying to get a better grip, but I pull up then.